Timelines are important, but they're always taken as guidelines. You have to understand that nothing in this industry can be fixed. There's too many moving parts, and because we when we get on job sites, sometimes the wiring isn't done properly, or there has to be something moved in the plumbing, or there's restrictions because we don't have enough room to deliver, and we have to waste some time to make the room because all the appliances are there or other trades are there. So because of all this, sometimes it delays our own timelines. So yes, timelines are there to be respected as much as possible, but small fluctuations of a day or two, or sometimes even a week, are to be expected.
If you wouldn't mind grabbing that side.
I would actually.
So, it's here. Yeah, they're a little bit lower from here to here. It's smaller than from here to here. If somehow the fridge is not on the right and the vice versa, on the left and freezer on the right, they're actually vice versa, and you put the handles on the doors, your handles are going to be way too high.
Yeah.
Remember, we put the top of this one at 42.
Yeah.
So most likely this is going to be at 48. Yeah, because we have, there's the counter here. Yeah, 48 inches. So what is the height of a standard appliance handle? Ooh. Come on. So 55, 50, 54 to the top. So if we do it the same way, might work actually, huh? 54, 55. 4 inches, right?
Yeah.
We said that we want to have it like that, which means 55. Which means that on the door, if you let go of the tape,
Yeah.
it's going to be at 51.
Okay.
Like, how much work goes into training?
Training depends obviously on person to person, everybody's history, if they ever worked in this industry before. Then there's the ability to retain information, then is the ability to put it in practice. So it really differs. We've had people that were super quick to learn and able to perform after a month. And we've had people that they still weren't at par after 6 months. So it's very hard to gauge. I would say that between 1 and 2 months should be sufficient for somebody on site. And I would say that people in the shop need between 3 and 6 months to be fully functional. Even if you've worked in other shops, obviously there's everybody has their own way of manufacturing. They have their own construction parameters. So skills are not really fully transferable. You still need to learn to adapt. So there is going to be that transition period, even if you've worked for somebody else.
Here. 32 and 9/16, 48 and 15/16. 48 and 15/16. Yeah, right in the middle of this. So from the middle of this to the edge of this, because we could do from here to here, which is 2 1/4.
Yeah.
And divide that by
It would be real close
to the groove. Yeah. So you want to center it in between the edge of the frame and the groove.
Okay.
This is different. This, so the longer line.
Is that hardware something that you guys picked out specific for that pantry?
Yes. So it was part, because on this project, we did the design as well. So everything A to Z, design, drafting, production, delivery, installation, finishing in-house, everything. So yes, we did it to ourselves. We sourced, we did it to Sergiu more than anything.
drilling the handles on the drawers. I'm gonna do the first one, and then Marco's gonna take over. But I wanna make sure that it works. I don't wanna set him up for failure. It's the first time he does handles and door adjustments, and he did this whole room by himself yesterday. And he did a fantastic job. Look, I'm gonna show you how intricate the handle is. It's a very cool design. It has a black base and then the golden actual handle. Comes with a flathead golden cover, let's say, that needs to be screwed from the front of the handle.
They're extremely nice, but they're not the easiest to install. But they're, honestly, the final result is going to be absolutely breathtaking.
And then you're threading this through it. But the problem is that this does not go through the hole that I just drilled, and it has to. So what we're doing now, we need to enlarge the front part of the hole for the handle to fit that. It's not part of your regular handle installation, but we don't do regular stuff, so this goes in, no problem. I have to cut 2 of them out of the adjustable screw. 1 sec. It has like pre-cuts into it, so you can select the depth that you're going to be using it at. And we're just going to eliminate 2 sections from it. There you go, there you go. So this is the outside, this is the inside. Put them in the drawer front, put the screw from the inside. Okay. I'm gonna put them horizontal on this. Very nice. Cool handles.